Yeah, carry on. Yeah, hello, can you do some more for me, please?
Hello.
Right, speak for a long time now.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hello, I am eating crisps. My friend is dancing. Hello, I like ice cream. I went to the shop to go and get some crisps. They were only £1. I'm not ugly. I like the orange blob. I live in a house. I like going to the park on my scooter. It is fun. My hero is the yellow blob. I like the colour green. I don't like the colour pink. I don't have any pets. I used to have a bird. I like smiley faces. I don't like sad faces. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, K, L, M, N, O, P. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What's their contribution life? 7, 8, 9, 10. I like bacon. I like chips. I like sandwiches. My friend don't know how to milk a cow. He doesn't. But I can milk a cow. You milk a cow. You put it in the shop. And then you buy it. No one knows that though, do they? I'm so hungry at some people. I like vanilla ice cream. They are yummy.
A little bit more.
What?
Speak some more for me.
Hello, I like I like singing. I hate singing. I like going to Peel Island. It is fun. There's a castle. I like the Olympics. I love McDonald's. I ordered a chicken sandwich.
A little bit more.
What?
Speak some more for me.
There's lots of buttons on a radio.
You just keep talking. Just count to 10, 20.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I like chips. I like ice cream. I like going to Bulgaria. I wonder how big the world's biggest chicken is. I like Shrek. I like SpongeBob. I love it. I wonder how big the world's biggest donkey is.
Thank you.
What?
Thank you, that'll do.